Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So all you need to achieve this gele style is just your ashoke and your pin. And the first thing you need to do is to create your pleat. You can do it on your head, you can do it on your lap, or whichever way that is convenient for you. You can see I didn't do it on my head, I didn't do it on my lap. I found another way to do it. So there is always a way. Once you are done creating your pleat, place your gele properly on your head and arrange your pleat. The way you place your gele on your head, make sure you cover one of your hairs when you are taking the gele to the back, and by the time you are bringing it back to the front, cover the second hair, and that is how you form your V shape. So once you are done forming your V shape, you create your pleat. First pleat done, second pleat done. Just go ahead and create the number of pleats you want to create. 4 or 5 is okay. And once you are done creating your pleat, just arrange your pleat properly. And the next thing you need to do is to secure your gele. You make a knot, you tie it. Just watch what I'm doing closely. Fold your gele the way I did in this video if you want to achieve the same result. So tie your gele, make a knot. So once you are done tying it, make sure you arrange that front part properly. Arrange it properly, make sure your gele is neat. Then you secure that excess part. And once you are done securing your gele, the next thing you need to do is to style your gele. So come to this other part and create your pleat. You don't need to create perfect pleats. So once you are done creating your pleat, find a way to secure that excess part. So once you are done securing your gele properly, you come back to this and I don't know if you guys remember how we got here, but I'm going to remind you. You know, when we secured our gele the first time we made a knot, we had 2 hands. So this is the second one. So all you need to do is just to create pleats and secure it at the middle. Once you are done with that, just arrange it, give it shape, and you come back to your main gele, push it back a little bit. That is how you add beauty to your gele. I don't understand how people tie gele and put it, at the middle of their forehead. No, push your gele to the back. That is how you add beauty to your gele. And the last thing you need to do is just to add finishing touches to your gele. Arrange it properly and voila, you are done styling your gele. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Bye. So I'm just trying to take pictures for my thumbnail. See you guys in my next one. Bye.